by Ramya Vashni. Today we are going to give information about Article 21. The Article 21, it's very important article in the Indian Constitution. It plays a vital role in protection of environment and even to protection of ecological developments in India. Today we are going to give a brief introduction about Article 21, and under Article 21 what are the rights have been given in India. In last episode we are explained about the Article 21, but in the Article 21 it's splitted into another article called Right to Education Act under Article 21A. This Article 21A, it's very important, it's played very important role in the year 2002 when the ruling party, the UPA government in the 2002 is enacted the Article 21A amendment to Article 45. The ruling party, the UPA government in the year 2002 succeeded in enacting Article 21A and amendment to Article 45. The Parliament has passed the Constitution in the year 2002 substituting the Article 45. Article 45 is one of the directive principles of state policy under Part 4. Under Article 21A that explains about the Right to Education Act, the education is compulsory for everyone. The Parliament has shows the enthusiasm to develop, insert the Article 21A. Under this, there are many rules that are established in the year 2009. The Right to Education Act 2009, which came into force from 26/8/2009. The first case on Right to Education Act in the year 2009, that is a Suman. The name of the girl is a Suman. She is a student of Government High School in Delhi. She failed in her 6th class examinations conducted in March 2010. The headmaster removed her name from the roll of the students of high school, and then she filed a writ petition to Delhi High Court on 4/4/2010. This is the first case filed under Act Article 21A. The Article 21A is it says that the education is compulsory to everyone, every student from the age 5 to in between 14th year. Everyone should be learn education.